Hello guys, so today guys we have a new camera from Sony guys. Yeah, this is the Sony ZV-1F. Yeah, so again guys, this is a new camera from Sony with a fixed lens. So ayan, for the specs I'll put in this side all the specs of this camera. But today we will unbox and check what's inside the box of this new Sony ZV-1F. So, and we will compare guys for the ZV-1, yeah, the previous ZV-1. So let's start unboxing now this Sony. So guys, so first you have your manuals. Again, manuals, so lots of manuals. And basa kayo. So this is what inside the box of the new ZV-1F. First you have here papel ang kulit, di ba? Parang it's a dead cat. It's not a dead cat. Ang tawag dito ba? Okay, but similar with the dead cat. Then we have also the USB type A to USB-C for charging. Yeah. Okay. So this is your camera, main camera. And the battery is on this side, guys. Yeah. So ang packaging ng Sony, the packaging of Sony now, they have some sort of like a earthy friendly type of packaging. Yeah. Again guys, the battery of this new camera Sony ZV-1F, it's NBX1. So it's similar with the RX100 series, 104, Mark 4, Mark 5, Mark 6, Mark 7, ganon. It's NBX1 and similar with the this ZV-1. So this is the ZV-1 and this is the camera guys. So let's check the camera. Yon. So eto. This is the ZV-1 and this is the 1F. And guys, so if you notice the mic speaker ba to? O mic input? I think it's a mic speaker.
Mic.
See? You have medyo maliliit. It's they have a tiny hole here. But 1F they have more bigger compared for the previous one. So ayan. And the microphone guys, bakit ganito? I think if you notice you have already this for the sync for the mic, for the flash, di ba? But in 1F it's totally black. So and there's no electronic type for flash or microphone. So let's see why they removed that gun guys. But again, similar BX1 for the lens. What is lens?
Fixed.
Fixed. You have fixed lens but with the cover. So you have a cover now which is a 40.5 millimeter filter thread. So you can put any 40.5 filter on this camera. So ayan nga guys. So, and for the specs on this camera I will put on this side. Yan. All the specs. Yan. But again, this fixed lens with a f2.0 to 7.6. Yan. Ganda niya guys. The size, I think this is more lighter compared for the ZV-1. See? For the weight. But on the top area, it's all similar guys. Similar. It's like identical. Only the difference you can find is this speaker type. And for the side, yes, it's all same. Microphone input, USB, C, HDMI. But here it's multi. Instead of USB, they put the multi. From ZV-1F, it's USB-C. USB-C 3.5 and HDMI micro. But on the ZV-1, it's 3.5 multi, and HDMI. So, and guys, this is a quick comparison between the ZV-1 and ZV-1F. So again, this is a quick unboxing of the new ZV-1F camera. Yan. So flex time. First I want to flex. Again guys, the ZV-1F is available now here in AB World. So if you want to check the price, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So yeah, for availability, specs is already there in our website. So check nyo lang guys. If you want to order, you can visit our website again www.abworld.com. So again guys, hanggang dito lang ang flex time. First, I want to flex my team, which is Team Positive Vlogger. Shoutout to all the admin members ng Team Positive. Ang PBK 2.0 natin na si Palaboy OFW, naka-dev ngayon. Si Brian Puntanar, may customer. Si Julius, nababakasyon na bukas, Joe. Papa safe flight. At syempre ang ating videographer today na si Audrey sa likod ng camera. So hanggang dito na lang guys. Again, ZV-1F. Check natin ang comparison nito one day. So again, thank you and mabuhay.